It's the brows for me.
I've come to interrupt this video for a very important message. Guys, check out these lashes. Aren't they bomb? Go ahead and check out minksandmains.com and use code Candace15 at checkout. Now back to the video.
It's the brows for me. Up close, you can see that I have hair that needs to be plucked. Far away, you can't see. Hey y'all, it's your girl Candace LaNae and I am back with another video. If you're new to this channel, please go hit the subscribe button. If you're returning, thank you and welcome back. In today's video, guys, I am going to be showing you guys my eyebrow tutorial. If you guys don't know, I'm not really good at makeup. I just kind of finesse it a little bit, but everybody loves my brows. Disclaimer is I have not had my brows threaded in like 3 years. I just kind of pluck at them and kind of get them the way that I want. But as you guys can see right now, they have not been plucked. So I'm gonna leave them just like this, and I'm gonna show y'all what I do to make them look good for my makeup. Also, another thing is, if you guys know that sound, what's that one sound on TikTok? It goes something like, you ain't supposed to do it like this, but this is how I do it. Keep that in mind this whole video, okay? Because I do it my way. First things first is you want to have an eyebrow brush. So first you want to go in and just brush your brows into the direction that you want them to go, how you want them to lay. This is the eyeliner pencil. Y'all see what I mean? But I do what I want to do. This is an eyeliner pencil that I actually got at Dollar Tree. So yeah, you get 2 in a pack for $1.25. We're going to use this to fill in our brows. I have the color brown. If you are someone who doesn't have eyebrows and you actually need to draw them in, this video will not be for you. Because as you guys can see, I have thick brows. Like my brows are already here. What I'm doing is filling them in to give them that crisp look. That's all I'm doing. They're out of there. I'm not drawing in anything extra. I'm literally just lining them and then going in with the extras. So when you're done outlining, this is what they should look like. Don't worry about one looking thicker than the other. You're going to go in, you're going to fill them in, and you'll just have to kind of play with them to get them how you like. So once they're like this, you go ahead and you just kind of color them in. Light strokes. You don't want to do anything that's too heavy because you don't want them too dark. You still want them to be very natural looking, but kind of cover up all the see-through that, you know. And you brush it out to make sure that it's even. Next, I'm going to go in with my Pro Conceal in shade medium beige. Now, this is a little lighter than it should be for me, but once I do my whole face, it blends in perfect. Then you want to use a brush that is like this pointed brush. I don't know what this brush is called, but this is going to help you get your, you know, that real crisp, cleanup that you're doing. So if you don't know, the concealer is to clean up everything that you may have messed up on, went out of line on, whatever. We're just gonna clean up all those hairs and all that stuff under there. Don't use as much as me. You don't need this much. It's just kind of what I taught myself to do. You can use a very small amount. It's just kind of to give you that look as if you just got your brows threaded. You know, like when you get your eyebrows threaded and they go in, and once they do what they do, the hair that was, the skin that was under the hair that they just got rid of is lighter. So that's really the only look that you're going for here. But since I am going to do a full face after this, that's why I just have a lot, to say the least. Blessed assurance, Jesus is mine. I don't know why that song just came to mind, but it did. So next, what you want to do after you have outlined and filled out that part of your brow, you want to go in and kind of do like this thing in the middle, which is kind of going to give you the shape of your brow. As you guys can see, I kind of just closed it off here. You don't have to do this step. You could skip it, but it's what I do. Next, you want to take a brush that looks like this. Kind of just blend it out. So if you overuse some, no worries. Just take your time, go very slow, and get the extras that you may have left behind, and then just blend it out. I'm really sorry that I'm so close to this camera right now, but y'all, I am trying to look through this ring light at the mirror so I can see what I'm doing for you guys. So don't ever say I ain't showed y'all up close and personal. All right, and then you should look like this. Crazy, right? Crazy. Now you take your beauty blender, and this is where you get the real blend that you're looking for. If you have the right color concealer, this is gonna look really good when you finish blending properly. And then this is what they should look like. You should have a nice set of brows that you love. I am going to do my whole face, and then I will be back to show you guys what this looks like with my face completely beat. Okay guys, so this is what my eyebrows look like when my makeup is done. And as you guys can see, you cannot tell that I use that light of a color. I use this makeup in this color. This is the final look. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if you found this video helpful, please comment below and let me know so I can know what you guys want to see and all that good stuff. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to ring my bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And I will see you guys in my next one.